matter is this, which was filed earlier, is writ petition 10023 of 2022, Anubhav Mishra. But this is regarding the Air Force recruitment, for which the advertisement was issued in 2019, 11th December 2019, and where, my lord, the provisional select list was
No, sir,
published.
please wait. We will first hear the Agniveer matter, because all these cases do involve Agniveer. Agniveer is the main matter.
Though in our case, my lord, we have not challenged the Agniveer scheme, though the
It's
government
okay,
said,
but recruitment in your case is not being finalized because of this Agniveer issue also.
yes, your lordship is
So
right.
the core issue is Agniveer matter.
Very well. If your lordship wants to hear that first, that's okay.
No, I don't want to hear that. I have expressed my opinion that this is the core issue. And if this issue is decided this way or that way, it will have some bearing on all other cases.
Yes, that is true. That it will.
Your lordship is right, my lord.
My lord. Yes, Aishwarya.
Your lordship is right, my lords. The whole bunch will have to be, my lords, considered.
But there is no petitioners are not challenging Agniveer, even in my petition.
No, the problem
Yes,
is try to understand.
There is maybe one petition challenging Agniveer, but that is not the issue.
The problem is the stand of Union India is that in respect of all other recruitments, because we have introduced this scheme, we'll be recruiting people as per this scheme.
Well, yes, my lord. Now the difficulty is
only difference is this, Lords, that Lords, it is right that if the government would have taken a decision saying that henceforth only Agniveer, and there could have not continued, is was one part. But what they have done is, Lords, they initiated a recruitment process, completed the same, and the list was out for appointment. But appointment letter was not given. This is in January. Then
So we'll hear that.
the second recruitment is thereafter done, and which is completed, and most appointment letters are issued in September. So we are people who are from January, who have completed prior in time, and we have not been given appointment.
We'll hear all cases one by one.
They are petitions they are consolidated challenges. The Agniveer also mirrors. And
we have that kind of bunch also. We have that kind of bunch also.
This notification cannot be given effect to retrospectively, in which the process is almost complete loss. They have become overage also. So that should have been the separate issue below. But in some petitions, both the challenges, directions have been sought and circularity has been sought, not in some of the petitions.
and there are three, in fact, classes of petitioners, my lord. Some are people who have not even been examined or being conducted. The Union of India is saying that because of COVID, we are not conducting exams since 2021. So that is one class of petitioners, Army persons below officer rank. The second class of petitioners are those who have already given an exam for the Air Force, results are withheld. The third class of petitioners are people who are in a provisional select list,
So
not being given.
We can't hear all cases together. So
I'm just saying the classes.
What we will do first, we'll hear this Agniveer and then other matters one by one.
My lord, but the challenge to Agniveer is
Ultimately, we have to hear all matters.
But only one request, my lord. I'm saying that the people whose exams are not being conducted, they become overage. Some sort of urgency is there.
Urgency, that is why we will not put.
My lord, will put a date accordingly
We
because.
will not put these matters in March or April. We'll hear them immediately after 10-15 days.
Yes, my lord.
That we will do. Definitely. एक मिनट बताइए. Please wait.
Your lordship should fix it when, my lord, your lordship can give it some time. Maybe
that is why we are.
one way would be, my lord, for your lordship to hear at 2 p.m. every day, day to day, at 2 p.m. or 2:15, day to day.
This,
my lord, even the PIL also both the matters, my lord. PIL which I have filed, my lord, I am Colonel Amit Kumar. I have challenged the Agnipath scheme along with the same issue. The person who have been policy also and the.
In fact, given that there is no stay, Agnipath is going on. The other cases are more urgent.
Agniveer.
की बात है आपको जो मेरा petition नहीं है
बहुत मतलब what we will do, we'll keep all these matters on 12th of December
Lordships.
at 2:30.
Please, my lord.
Whether we are able to finish our list or not, we'll start these matters at 2:30 on 12th.
Lordships, please.
Then, my lord,
But-
your lordship
but-
will hear it day to day till it is completed.
Yes, we'll do that. And one more request to you is that please segregate the matters, and we will assure him. Learned ASG, you segregate all matters,
Yes, sir.
and we will start with Agniveer and other matters after Agniveer.
As your lordships deem appropriate, my lord. We have a rough list today also,
My lord,
but we'll
there are
refine
two
it.
prayers. One is for quashing of the notification, in which the Agniveer has been challenged.
See, you don't
And
know
the-
how many cases are there. Learned ASG knows all cases about all cases. She'll segregate and she'll prepare a chart and she'll give it to us. We'll start with Agniveer.
Please,
But the
my lord.
other cases,
Just,
my lord,
one-
the reply
just
will
one
be filed,
thing.
otherwise adjournment will be sought.
Already filed a consolidated reply.
Just one application for impediment in my matter. In the
80% is about 100.
Yes, ma'am.
In the meantime, Lord, there is one application for impediment which your lordship may allow in my matter.
One minute, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. Just one
Yes.
minute, sir.
Yes, yes.
You have matters of scheme. You have matters where, despite the scheme process was going on, but process not completed. There are schemes where recruit process completed, but appointments not given because of the scheme. Now we have three different types of matters. That's what falls. Your counter is restricted only to the scheme.
Yes, ma'am.
No more further judgments. If you want to add something,
Yes, my lord.
add it before that.
Yes,
Sorry,
my lord.
one more point, Lord. There is one more petition which is before your notice, which is not the. I am not saying that please do not go ahead with the Agniveer, but the only problem with Indian Navy is this, Lord, that despite having the eligibility criteria, people are not being allowed to even sit in the examination, which the Army or the Air Force is not doing. And plus, there is no reply to it, and there is already an undertaking given before your lordship that we will not do this in an earlier round of litigation.
Check. Note down this number on.
My lord, if I may suggest, my lord, the scheme as it is, the recruitment is going on. If we hear the scheme at the later stage, it is not going to make any difference.
Sir, are you
In case
Are you appearing in a PIL?
yes, madam, I'm
In
the.
person.
How can you appear in a PIL when there are persons whose stakes are there? Will it not be a PIL?
I myself have filed a PI.
No. Are you an applicant to that?
Person in person I have filed. Colonel Amit.
Are you an applicant in the scheme?
No, I am not there.
It's how can we entertain your PIL? Is it not a PIL in service law?
My lord, I'm a veteran. I have challenged the
It's
scheme.
okay. But the
issue is-
ultimately your prayer will lead to appointment under the Union of India
My lord.
to the armed forces.
My lord.
Appointment
Agree.
is a service matter. The Supreme Court judgment, that is Duryodhan Sahu, which says PILs are not permitted in service matters. This is what my brother was telling you
Your PIL you can straight away dismiss.
right now.
My lord, I have challenged the scheme. The first part is the scheme.
How you can challenge it?
My lord, I have challenged under Article 40, 16 and 21. First one is, my lord, equal opportunity of employment to the youth.
So
My lord, the
candidates
scheme,
are before us, we will hear them. Not you.
the matter of, my lord, youth, as well as the national security matter. The scheme is,
Lord, I was just saying very well.
We'll consider that application also on the next date of hearing.
Lordship.
And you decide that who has to argue the matter first. We can't hear 10 people at a time. Let senior counsel argue. Because ultimately all grounds are common, most of the grounds are common.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Obliged.
Grateful.
So my lords have also indicated that if any further reply is to be filed to any petition, they'll do it by the next
The
day.
parties are certainly free to file.
No, the
additional
union
reply.
government, not the parties.
You may also file a rejoinder. The
No, I have
parties-
filed my rejoinder. I am
the
saying
parties are certainly free to file additional reply / additional rejoinder, if any, before the next date of hearing.
Please, sir. Grateful, my lord.
Obliged.
Самата талята вали. Sunt busnet.
बोल देना दोबारा और it will look into it. हम अपना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कल के माध्यम
Your Lordship, may I mention that, Lordship, yesterday after lunch, I humbly prayed to the Honorable Court, Lord.
And we are ready for arguments, my lords. In fact, petitioners can start and we'll be there physically post lunch.
All right, so we'll take these matters along with the other matters.
Yes.
Just motion hearing.
Yes.
You.
The end of the court,
After all finishing all these points,
the end of the court.
let the list be over
Keep your date.
because this will continue for a long.
Yes,
Yes.
this will take now.
Item 54.
The contract here is awarded to me for laying down the gas pipelines under a riverbed.